Welcome. Today we will learn about the word act. This simple word has many meanings. Let's explore them together. The word act is a verb. It means to do something. When you act, you take action. You make something happen. Let's see some examples. I act when I help my friend. She acts by cleaning her room. We act when we play games. Acting means doing. Act also means to perform. Actors act in plays and movies. They pretend to be different characters. They play roles and tell stories through acting. Act can mean how you behave. When someone acts kindly, they behave in a kind way. How do you act? Do you act nicely to others? Now, act can also be a noun. An act is a thing that is done. It's an action or a deed that someone performs. Here are examples. A law passed by government is called an act. In theatre, an act is one part of a play. Same word, different meanings. Let's learn common phrases. Act fast means do something quickly. Act up means behave badly. Take action means start to act. These phrases are very useful. Did you know? The word act comes from Latin. Actors use acting to tell amazing stories. Laws are called acts to show they are official and important. Now it's your turn. Try these sentences. I act when I help my mom. She is in the second act of the play. We must act fast in an emergency. Thank you for learning with Wordscience. Now you know the many meanings of act. Subscribe for more easy word lessons. See you next time.